Well, I've discussed with you 13 principles of how games create good learning. We could just as well say how games teach, because games use these principles to design learning. And what teaching really is, and should be, is designing and resourcing learning for other people. I view teachers as designers of learning, and I view game designers as designers of learning. So there's a real deep shared compatibility between game design and teaching if we see teachers as professionals who are designing and resourcing the learning of other people. Games can be a wonderful tool to bring to school for learning, but they're not the only tool. We want to use every tool we can. What we want to do is ask ourselves, how do we design good learning? Good learning is a system. It involves collaboration among learners. It involves mentoring. It involves many different tools. It involves resourcing learners. After we've asked ourselves, what sort of learning do we want to create? How is it going to lead to problem solving and to deep understanding? Then we want to say, what tools do we use? And games are one of those tools. But we need to not focus on the technology first, but on the learning and how the technology can resource that learning. Now, since games do create a good learning system, not only by being a game, but also by inviting people to go to affinity spaces or interest-driven groups on the internet and discuss the game and mod the game and involve yourself in social interaction over the game, they are really creating a system of learning that is both the game and all of the activities we do around the game and all of the interest we can show in the game by modding it or getting together with other gamers. Because games are really creating problem-based learning as a way to make money, in fact, but as a way to engage people's creativity, we have a lot to learn from them about how to be good designers of learning in our classrooms and community centers and even indeed in our society.